The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has just leaked, and now we know almost everything about this phone. Photos show the device into color options called Moonstone and Obsidian. This leak comes just ahead of Google's official event on August 20th. From what we can see, the Pixel 10 Pro 40 looks like it will be the most powerful Pixel phone Google has ever made. The design of the Pixel 10 Pro XL is very similar to the regular Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro. It still has soft, rounded corners, a smooth metal frame, and the familiar pill-shaped camera bar on the back. On the front, it features a large 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with very thin bezels and a small punch-hole camera in the middle. The design sticks with Google's simple and clean style that Pixel fans already know. A unique feature that stays from last year's model is the temperature sensor on the back near the cameras. Google first added this sensor in the Pixel 9 Pro, and now it seems like the XL version will keep it too. When it comes to performance, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to be very powerful. It will be using Google's new Tensor G5 chip, which should bring better speed and smarter AI features. It also has 16 gigabytes of RAM, which means it will be good for multitasking, gaming, and using heavy apps without slowing down. Storage is also getting an upgrade, while the regular Pixel 10 Pro might still start with 128 gigabytes. The XL version will start with 256 gigabytes. There will also be options for 512 gigabytes and even 1 terabyte of storage. This is great for people who take lots of photos, record videos, or download big files. The camera system on the Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to include a 50MP main camera, a 4.8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 4.8MP telephoto lens. The front camera will be 32MP. While the camera hardware hasn't changed much since the Pixel 9 Pro, we can expect new AI features from Google to improve the photo and video quality. So even though the cameras look the same, the results could be better. The battery is another big upgrade. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is rumored to have a 5200 mAh battery, which is the biggest battery ever in a Pixel phone. This should help the phone last longer on a single charge. It will also support 39 West fast wired charging and 15 West wireless charging with the new Cheta standard. That means it will charge faster and work with more types of wireless chargers. A report from Germany suggests that the price will start around €12.99, which is about the same as last year's model. So even with all the improvements, Google isn't raising the price, which is great for people planning to upgrade. The Pixel 10 Pro XL will likely launch with other products at Google's big event on August 20th. Other devices expected at the event include the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a. However, not all of them may be released everywhere at once. Some countries might have to wait. With this new phone, it looks like Google is not trying to make huge changes, but instead improve on what already works. That's probably a smart move since they're up against strong competition like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Instead of trying to wow people with wild hardware features, Google seems to be focusing on helpful software, smooth performance, and long-term updates to make its phones stand out. In the end, how well the Pixel 10 Pro 40 does will probably depend on how well it works in everyday use and how long it stays fast and reliable. If Google keeps supporting it with updates and focuses on a smooth experience, this could be one of their best phones yet. We'll find out all the final details when Google officially announces everything on August 20th, but based on what we know from these leaks, the Pixel 10 Pro XL looks like it will be a solid upgrade and possibly Google's best phone so far.